It's late and your phone rings. It's your daughter crying, terrified. She's been in an accident. She needs money right now and she's begging you not to tell anyone. It sounds exactly like her, so you help. Except it was never her, not the voice, and in 2026, maybe not even the face. Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me, which for today's topic is either reassuring or a little ironic. New here? That's Sam up in the corner. Sam feels exactly what you're feeling. Here's what I want to give you today: how to recognize this scam in its new, scarier shapes, and one simple thing you can set up with your family tonight in about 2 minutes that stops it cold. By the end, you'll want to send this to someone you love. Quick refresher: this part you may already know. AI voice cloning is exactly what it sounds like. Software copies how someone talks, their tone, their accent, the way they say your name. Remember our well read friend, the one that learned to predict the next word? It can now predict the next sound of your voice. And here's the part that should stop you: it only needs a few seconds of audio at the time of recording, as little as 3 seconds, pulled from a TikTok, a voicemail greeting, an old video. And most of us genuinely can't tell the copy from the real thing. But if you saw our voice cloning episode and think you've got this, stay with me. Three things have changed and they break the old advice. First, it's not just a voice anymore, it's a face. Scammers can now run a live video call, a real moving face that blinks, looks at you, and talks back in real time. In one documented case, an employee joined a video call with what looked like his finance chief and several colleagues, every one of them a deep fake, and wired out around $25 million. Now shrink that down to your family. A video call from your grandson that isn't your grandson. Seeing isn't believing anymore either. Second, and this matters because it's the advice we all learned, just call them back. Here's the whole: scammers can fake the number or answer through a hacked account. So when you call back to check the clone voice picks up, you did the smart thing. And it still sounded like them. And third, this isn't rare anymore. The FBI now tracks AI-driven fraud as its own category, and in its latest report, that's more than 22,000 complaints and nearly $900 million in a single year. The family in trouble voice scams alone, over 5 million. And the people hit hardest are older adults who lost billions. This is a machine now running at scale. So why does this work, even on careful people? Because it doesn't attack your logic, it attacks your love. A real emergency feels like a real emergency. Your body reacts before your brain catches up. Scammers know that. So every one of these calls has the same shape. Act now. Tell no one. Pay in a way you can't undo. So the fix isn't about catching the fake. You will not outlisten this technology. The fix is about the request. 3 moves. 1, set a family safe word. A simple word or phrase only your family knows. Not your dog's name, not anything you've posted online. If someone calls in a panic, you ask for the word. A clone can copy the voice, it cannot know the word. The FBI, the FTC, and security experts all point to this as the single best defense. It costs nothing, and you can set it up at dinner tonight. 2, verify the request, not the voice. Hang up. Call back on a number you already have saved, not the one that just called you. Can't reach them? Call another family member. A real emergency will survive a 5-minute check. 3, know the 3 red flags because they don't change even when the voice is perfect. It's urgent, it's secret, and the payment is strange. Gift cards, a wire, crypto, any one of those. Slow down. Quick recap. The scam grew up. It can wear a voice and now a face. Calling back isn't the failsafe it used to be. So set a safe word, verify the request, not the voice, and watch for urgent, secret, strange payment. I made a free 1-page cheat sheet: the safe word, the 3 red flags, and exactly what to do when the call comes. Links in the description. Save it to your phone, and honestly, send it to your parents. If you want the full story of how voice cloning actually works, our earlier episode breaks it all down. I'll link it for you. Subscribe if you'd like more of these made simple. Drop a comment with the most convincing scam call you've ever gotten and share this with one person who needs it, because the safe word only works if you set it before the call. So set yours tonight.